Today we'll talk about some salts. We have seen earlier that when acids react with bases, they form salts. Neutralization reaction. So acids, uh, when these react with bases to produce salt and water. So salts are produced when acids and bases react. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Now, how can we know about family of salts? Family of salts. How can you know about this family of salts? Now, for example, we can take an example. If we take example of sodium chloride, a salt. What is the formula of sodium chloride? NaCl is the formula of sodium chloride. We take another salt, calcium chloride. What is the formula? CaCl2, calcium chloride. So, if we take these, another example, you can take calcium sulfate. We can say calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate. CaSO4. So let's take the example of these three salts: sodium chloride, calcium chloride, and calcium sulfate. Now we know that these salts have been made from acids and bases. When acids bases react, they form salts. Now, how can we tell by knowing the formula of salts? How can we tell that from which acids and which bases these salts have been formed? Now, we know that in each salt, there is a positive ion and negative ion, and we know that acids give H plus ions and bases give OH minus ions. Okay. Now, this is a positive ion of the salt. So positive ion will be attached with the negative ion. So if this be attached with negative ion, then what you know? NaOH. This is a base. NaOH is a base. So, and if we, this is chloride and minus ion, and minus ion will be just connected with the positive ion. So if we go through this HCl, this will be the acid. In the sense, we can say that in the formation of this sodium chloride as a salt, the acid is hydrochloric acid. This is the acid, and this is the base which is involved in the formation of this sodium chloride. In the same way, in the salt calcium chloride, the acid and base which will form will be, the base will be CaOH2 and the acid will be HCl. HCl will be acid and this will be the base which reacted to form this salt calcium chloride. In the same way, if we take this calcium sulfate salt, calcium CaOH2, calcium hydroxide will be the base, and H2SO4, because sulfate is the negative ion here, so H2SO4 will be the acid which will be involved in the formation of this. So we can say that these salts are made from the reaction of acids and bases, and the formation of sodium chloride, in the formation of sodium chloride, NaOH base and HCl acid is required to form the salt. In the formation of these salts, acid involved is HCl and base involved is CaOH2, calcium hydroxide, In the formation of calcium sulfate, the acid involved is H2SO4 and base involved is COS2. So in this way we can find out the acids and bases which are involved in the formation of these salts. Now what are family of salts? Family of salts. Family of salts means if any salt have either same negative ion. Likewise, we can say that in NaCl, sodium chloride, and in CaCl2, the common is chloride ion. Chloride ion is common. So this will be the family of chloride salt. Chloride salt. These two salts we say that these two salts are the salts of the family chloride. Clear? In the same way, if we take these two salts, CaCl2 and CaSO4, calcium sulfate. In these two salts, we see that calcium is common. So in these two salts, since calcium is common in these two salts, so these two salts will be said to be the family of calcium salts. Family of calcium salt. So in this way, what is the family of salts? If in the salts either negative ion, in case of these two salts, either negative ions are common or positive ions are common, so the ion which is common, so we say the salts are of the family of those ions. Likewise, here in these two salts, chloride is common, so we say that these salts are of the family of chloride salt, and in these two salts calcium is common, so we see that these two salts are of the family of calcium salt. Clear? So in this way we can say that these two salts, the salts are of family of which group. Clear? Now we have already seen that how the salts are formed by the formation of the reaction of acids and bases. So which acid and which base is being involved in the formation of these salts. So one more question which is asked in the exams is whether the salt is acidic, basic or neutral. Salt is acidic, basic or neutral. So how can you tell that the salt is acidic, basic or neutral? For seeing this, what we'll see that salts we have already seen that salts are formed by the reaction of acids and bases. They give salt. Okay, plus water. Now salt is acidic, basic or neutral depends on the acid or base which is involved in the formation of the salt. Likewise, we see that in NaCl, salt is NaCl. In NaCl, we have seen that the acid which is involved is HCl. HCl, from chlorine we say that HCl is the acid, and from sodium we say that NaOH is the base which is involved in the formation of the salts. Now we know that HCl is also a strong acid and NaOH is also a strong base. So when a strong acid reacts with a strong base, then the salt will be neutral. Then the salts will be neutral. In the same way, if we take an example of a salt, CH3COONA, sodium acetate. This is salt sodium acetate. Now we know that this is a negative ion, this is a positive ion. So the acid will be involved in the formation of this salt will be CH3COOH. It will be the acid, and base will be which will be involved will be NaOH. This is the base which is involved in the formation of that acid. So what do we see? That this acid is a weak acid, and the base is a strong base. It's a strong base. So when weak acid reacts with a strong base, then the salt which is formed is, because base is strong, so it will be basic salt. Basic salt. In the same way, if a strong acid, so the criteria is, you've already come through this. The criteria is when a strong acid reacts with weak base, then the salt will be, because acid is strong, base is weak, so acidic. The salt will be acidic salt. And if both are strong, the salt is neutral. If one is weak and the is strong, then the thing which is strong, the salt will be of that category. So basic salt. Here is strong is acid, weak base is weak, so acidic salt. If both are weak, in the sense weak acid when reacts with weak base, then what will happen? Both are weak, then also the salt will be neutral salt. Okay, so this is the criteria. We know that acids react with base to form salt and water. So if the acid is strong, base is strong, then the salt will be neutral. If acid is weak, base is strong, salt will be basic. If it is strong, acid is strong, base is weak, then the salt will be acidic. And if both are weak acid and weak base, then the neutral salt will be neutral. Okay? Thank you.